My name's Alison Dring. I'm the co-founder of Made of Air. We're out of Berlin. I'm here at the World Government Summit in Dubai competing as one of the 5 finalists for the GovHack series for the GovTech Prize. Made of Air is converting CO2 into materials for the built environment. We make a material like this, and we are using CO2 directly from the air and putting it into materials so that we can build our cities in a carbon negative way and reverse climate change. So this material, if we were to replace things like facades or building blocks or interior wall boarding with a material like this, we would be reducing CO2 from the air of about 126 kilograms per square meter. And it would actually reverse climate change by taking CO2 out of the air and storing it in our cities. One of the key issues, one of the focuses that we're looking at in terms of climate change is our urbanization paths. As cities are urbanizing over the next 20 to 30 years, we're looking at just being able to house our population increases of 2 billion people. Just being able to house and provide infrastructure for those 2 billion people will emit 350 gigatons of CO2 into the atmosphere, and this will actually ruin our chances for any Paris Accord, any of our global climate targets. And this is in building materials alone. So materials actually are key to reversing climate change in our cities. A material like this one actually reverses that process. So when we're looking at how we're going to urbanize our cities, instead of emitting CO2 through traditional building materials, if we use a carbon negative material like Made of Air, we start to see that the actual growth of our cities can take all the CO2 in the atmosphere above the city and turn it into materials and store that CO2 in our cities. So the actual act of building can reverse climate change. I think that participating in this series so far has been a really eye-opening experience. We're very pleased to be in Dubai. We've found that the whole World Government Summit and the series itself has been extremely experimental, very forward-thinking, very open to disruption. And we are quite happy to be here, and we think that it actually provides the perfect canvas for us to be able to talk about daring ideas and in a disruptive space.